So big news for Bitcoin. We just had, actually yesterday, we had almost $300 million inflows into Bitcoin ETF. Precisely, it was $295 million. And what this means is that institutions are buying Bitcoin and buying big because this is the biggest inflow since early June. And if you don't remember, early June is when Bitcoin was around 69,000 to 71,000 per Bitcoin. And we just had the biggest inflow since that time. And why it's bullish is because Bitcoin right now is around $57,000 per Bitcoin. But institutions are still buying because I think the people behind the institutions are smart people. They understand the 4-year cycle, that this is the last year, the last few months until Bitcoin starts going up. And you can see institutions are buying Bitcoin so much. This means that institutions are bullish on Bitcoin and the crypto overall. Even if we are dumping, institutions are basically buying Bitcoin so much that this will make a waves later after the summer is over. And that's why we have still a few weeks or maybe month and few weeks until Bitcoin starts going up, because the selling pressure is not as big as buying pressure. Because as you already saw, the Germany was selling around $110 million worth of Bitcoin, but the inflows were almost $300 million in ETFs. Because when the institutions buy the Bitcoin ETFs, the holding companies have to buy the real asset, the real Bitcoin. That's why I think this will be big for the Bitcoin for the next few months. And I would recommend you to research some meme coins, some AI projects, some gaming projects, even NFTs, because I believe that after the summer is over, we will go straight to the next crypto bull market, because there is a 4-year cycle and this is the 3rd year. 2025 will be the 4th year, but early and late 2024 and early 2025, that's when everything will start going up based on crypto history. And one more thing, I created my Patreon channel where I am posting all the latest alpha. So if you don't want to miss out on that, you can subscribe to my Patreon, only $5 a month. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, drop a comment, share it on other social media, and thanks for watching.